It's not even behave. It's just. Okay, so we said the central angle was 60, yes? How much is half of it?
30.
Okay, so if you know that that one is 30, we have 90. What should the remaining one be?
6.
Oh my goodness.
60. Okay. Okay. So what do you see come back? And
30, 60, 90.
thank you, 30, 60, 90. And that is a special right triangle. Okay. Do you guys remember how to find the short side right here? Yeah?
It's X. I mean, it's 30. I mean, it's X.
It is X, but then how do you find X?
That one is 2X.
Thank you. And then you solve for it, so X is 5. And then your apothem or your height should be what?
X rad 3.
So
5 rad 3.
5 rad 3. Okay, so this is where we bring in all the triangle stuff, yes? Okay. Okay, so you found the apothem, right? Okay, your job here is partially done. You have to go find the area now. Because you gotta find the area. Yeah. So now all you gotta do is plug in everything, yeah? Area is 1/2 times.
N is sides, S is side.
Times 30.
And it's what?
Side 10.
And where's the S?
Side thing.
10.
Okay, if you're gonna do this by hand, I would do like this. I think Ryan did it by hand.
Alright.
Right? So you do 6 times 10, which is 60, and then you choose to do the 1/2 times 60 because it's easier to deal with, right? That gives you 30. And then 30 times 5. 150 radical 3. Okay, that is your answer if you were to leave it with the radical. Yes or no. But also throw into the calculator to see what that is. So it should be... What? Okay, there you go. Okay, this is everything. So you guys see if you mess up the triangle, it doesn't look like it'll end well, right? Okay, so that triangle thing comes back. But this is a special case where you use special right triangle. All the other cases you can use what? Huh? No. I can say shut up, but I don't want to. Okay, we okay? Everyone's okay with this? Okay, you gotta prepare yourself for the next one, okay? Because that's the worst one.
Is it the last one?
Yes. Then you do your homework. Because how long am I gone?
3 days.
Oh, so you're gone Wednesday, Thursday, Friday?
Hey, I think maybe you do need to sit right here.
No, like for real.
Next week's gonna miss Monday, Friday, next Friday.
Oh, next week. I figured out a comment.
Huh?
Wait, why is this This Friday and Monday.
Yeah. And then the next Friday.
So 2 days next week.
It's gotta be
Yeah.
Monday and Friday.
How to think about that? Yeah. I will teach you guys how to do it without the picture. So don't copy the picture, just copy the words.
Please don't give us this.
Good luck.
Oh, it's gonna be on.
It is easy. Joe, you know how many notes I took?
None.
I wrote the title on the email.
It's gonna be a lot in this one, okay? So Nonagon, realistically, I don't think we can all draw that. Like I didn't even try drawing it. You see that?
What, that?
Yeah.
That's not that hard.
That's just for you guys to look at, okay? You guys don't need to draw it. I mean, if you're already done with the instructions, then I guess you can draw it if you want, but just get the instruction part down, okay?
I know, Martin. Don't even worry about it.
Yeah. Once you get the words, I'm just gonna go. All right, you guys can go draw your Nonagon on your own. I said not to, but if people want to,
Don't give them the time.
I won't. Don't worry. Okay, we go with the words? Yes? Yes? All right, so let's take a look at it, right? I underlined something. That's pretty important. What does it say? Radius is 4 units. Is the radius the same as the apothegm?
No.
No. Okay. Great. How many sides does the Nonagon have? 9. So n is equal to 9. Okay, we gotta draw a triangle, right? If you don't, I will be surprised if you got the answer. Gonna be honest. Yeah, if you don't draw the triangle, I will be very surprised. How?
Why can't you just solve it in the thing?
I mean, sure you can. Yeah.
I feel like it's raining.
What?
Hey,
It's gonna be sunny
you
now.
can't use that word out loud.
Okay, off to the side. Well, I'll prepare my triangle. I will do the perpendicular bisector right there. Okay. The radius was how much again?
4.
4. The radius goes where the hypotenuse goes, okay?
But isn't
Oh
every
my
one of those
goodness.
four?
Then you go back up like habits.
Is your arm both of them four? I saw something.
Oh. Okay, we need to find the central angle, yes? Because how many angles are we missing for one of the right triangles?
1,
2. We're missing both. This one right here. This one you find using central angle.
What's 360 divided by 9?
Yeah, what is that?
36.
40.
40, so 20.
So each central angle is 40, and then each one of those individual angles, the little ones in there, are what? Hold up. Hold up.
What is it?
This this big angle right here, 40, right? That's the central angle, yes?
Yeah.
We drop the perpendicular bisector, it gets split into 20. Okay, each one is 20. So this one's 20.
And the other one is 70.
Good. You can do you can add.
I thought
Okay. Got the 20, got the 70. I will label this as X. And the height as what? Huh? The height? 90.
Oh, wait, height.
Yeah. What's that? What's the yellow line? Yes.
After
Okay, so you need to find A and you need to find X, right?
X is 2. Wait, no, it's not.
How do you find them?
I don't know.
Or which one do you guys want to find first? X. Okay, find side length. You gotta find X. You have a right triangle. What are you gonna use? How are you gonna use Pythagorean theorem when you don't know two of the sides? You have 8, X, and 4.
Big triangle. Use a big triangle, Mr. Child.
What else do we do?
Use a big triangle. Cut it in half. Mr. Child, you can't do this.
What else do we do, guys?
Mr. Child. She said no, bro.
What is the big thing we did with right triangles?
special triangle.
Not special. There is no special 20, 70, 90.
Pythagorean theorem.
Nope.
Mr. Child.
Nope.
4 squared plus x squared equals. You said no already.
Guys, I spent a lot of time doing this. Huh?
20, 70, 90.
Yeah? What are the 3 things that made you guys memorize?
Cosine.
Cosine, tangent, sine. What are those? Trig.
Trigonometry.
Yes. Okay, so use trig. Which one are you gotta find X first, right? Which angle are you gonna look at? 20. Okay, look at the 20.
Opposite.
Opposite over
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. So opposite is X.
X over 4.
So sine
Wait, why can't you do
20
Why can't you do A
equals
squared plus B?
X over 4. James. A squared plus X squared equals 4 squared. How are you going to find that out?
No, I'm saying why can't you use a big triangle?
That is not a right triangle. You cannot do Pythagorean theorem for a non-right triangle. Okay, so what do you do? Both sides?
Times 4.
Times it by 4. Oh.
You guys slow.
Okay, X is gonna be like, I think 137. 1.37. Okay. Is that the whole side length? That's half. So how much is the big one? Multiply by 2. So it's like 2.74. Okay, good. Good. Okay, second thing you need to find. What's the second thing you need to find? You found X, you need to find A, which is apothem or apothem. Which trig function are you going to use for that one? What? Why? I mean, you could, but which was easier? Cosine. So you're going to do cosine 20 is equal to apothem over 4. And then basically you're doing the same thing, right?
Times it by 4.
Okay, so apothem is like 3.76. Okay, you found everything now, right?
Now you do the formula.
Now you do the formula. Okay. Yeah, so I guess the second step is the most work. Once you got that, you got everything else. Okay? You have 1 on the final. That's why I'm teaching it. Yep. Find the area. We have the area formula, right? What? Oops. Where? Oh, somebody. Okay, what is the apothem? You guys have it, right? 3.76. The number of sides.
1.5.
How many sides?
9.
This is a school iPad, right? What the heck?
Wait, isn't it sleep?
What shape is it, people?
It's a nonagon.
So how many sides are in a nonagon?
I said 9 the first.
I know.
It's a slope.
9. Nonagon has 9.
Oh, yeah.
So, and we said right there, n is 9.
All right, Rico.
Okay? Side length was equal to?
2.7.
2.74.
Where'd you get that?
Okay, so yeah, once we found x, you have to multiply that by 2. Because x is only half. So if you want to add this in there, add that in there. Okay, x is only half. Okay, now you plug everything in. Times 9 times 2.74. And then multiply. You should get like 46.36. There were no units, so it's just units squared. Okay? Okay, so you gotta find all 3 things. Hardest part is dealing with the triangle, right? Okay, so I gave you 1 question in the quiz. You guys gotta be careful. Okay? Don't forget your trig, people. I told you guys. The thing you get out of this is you gotta remember that. Okay? Okay, any questions? None so far? Okay,
3 questions.
10-minute break, yes?
9. I'll go for you. I'll do this one.
I'll show you the pictures of the way. Boom. 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 Okay, it's in the morning. I promise I'll do it.
Hey, how much?
What? I can't do that. Hey, I just see that, but on Jay's assistant. No.
So, take a 10-minute break, and then I do expect you guys to start working on this. Okay, when you guys start working on this, focus on this part while I'm here.
I'm gonna get a BRZ.
Okay? Four. I think there's one. Oh, the PEs. Okay, so I'll time 10 minutes, yeah?
I'm gonna get a BRZ.
This one doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
No.
Oh, it's broken.
Yeah.
It's like it. Do you know where the computer guy is?
Yeah.
Can you go take it to him? Maybe he'll give you the one.
Do I take your pass?
Nah, you don't have to. Unless you want to. Yeah, you gotta take the pad. Expected. Really? That's the homework 64, 65, and then the worksheet?
Oh.
Yeah. Maybe you still have it, that's why. Class you're in right now. Are you?
Yeah.
Oh. Still recording? You stopped the recording?